is HD. This is our first time doing a web show, so don't. So first today on HD, we will be doing makeovers. Oh yeah, baby. Got it. You're so pretty. Oh crap. Tiger sister. Ouch! What's on here?
Ew, get it on.
Put it on me. I'm going to my tiara. Ow! Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, well, we got it right now. Okay. Did it look so pretty? Wow, princess right here. I feel like a tiger. Okay, so next on HD we're gonna do the money dance. Okay, well, that's our show. Bye. Yeah, that's right. Leave. Get out. Go. Calm down, Darren. Calm down. Excuse me while I take Darren to the hospital. See ya. Bye.